guys, and you're welcome to another episode of the Militants of the Vlog. So today we are on a meet. It's a very special episode because we're having for the first time in history we've organized a car meet in Port Harcourt, probably the second time. I believe you would have watched the other one. So we're here trying to get fuel, my bro, David, his ride, and then the old Pathfinder. Just say hi. We've got a Nissan Altima, we've got the ultimate Mercedes-Benz 450 SEL, and this beauty. Just a hit on this car, it's very loud. There's so many lovely stuff we're going to be marinating inside you today, so stay tuned. We're going to have a drive, and I'm going to introduce you to the lovely guys I have, the lovely car guys I have around us, and in the city of Port Harcourt. Cheers.
But I'm so frustrated. To my loneliness, I guess is bliss. Send me back to be modest now. Take it out of cuteness. The elephant's game. Stand up for the ocean. I wish I knew how much I missed. I know.
I knew it was not a D6. The way that thing sounds, it's not a D6. Open your exhaust. Open your exhaust. Hit the boss. David!
I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it.
To where we would have our final ride so that we can enjoy the ride.